In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new meeting on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to launch a Google Meet call right from your spreadsheet so everyone can collaborate and talk in real time. First, go to Google. This can be the Google homepage or any Google page in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your apps and files without interruptions. Next, look to the top right of the page for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. If you have a lot of apps, you may need to scroll inside that panel to find what you need. The icon layout can vary slightly depending on your account, but the launcher is always that grid of small squares. Now, click on Sheets. This will open Google Sheets in a new tab, showing your recent spreadsheets and templates. If you already know which file you want, you'll likely see it in your recent list. If your spreadsheet lives in a specific folder in Drive, you can reach it from here as well. The goal is simply to open the spreadsheet you plan to discuss in the meeting. Open your document. Give it a moment to load. It's a good idea to glance at the sheet to confirm you're on the right tab and that any key cells or charts you plan to review are visible. Setting up your view now will make the start of your meeting smoother. At the top of the Sheets window, look for the video camera icon, typically near the top right of the toolbar area. This icon connects Sheets to Google Meet. Click the camera icon to bring up the meeting options. If your window is very narrow, you may need to maximize the browser so the icon is visible. From the options that appear, click Start a New Meeting. This instantly creates a Google Meet session linked to your spreadsheet. You'll see meeting details and controls, and your document stays open so you can reference it during the call. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone or camera, allow it so participants can hear and see you. Using headphones helps reduce echo, and making sure you're in a quiet space improves clarity. That's it. You've started a new meeting directly from Google Sheets. From here, you can speak with your team while everyone looks at the same document, making decisions faster and keeping everything in sync. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more streamlined, in-document meetings.